So hello guys, for today's video, we will talk about the Shopify Partner Program. And make sure to watch this video until the end to ensure you don't miss out a very important details. These are the objectives of this video. What is Shopify? What is Shopify Partner Program? Benefits of the Shopify Partner Program, and become a Shopify partner. First, we will define what is Shopify. Shopify is a user-friendly e-commerce platform that helps small businesses build an online store and sell online through one streamlined dashboard. Shopify merchants can build a modern online store and sell on social media sites, seller marketplace, other blogs and websites, and via email, text, and chat. What is Shopify Partner Program? The Shopify Partner Program is a diverse group of designers, developers, marketers, and affiliates who use the Shopify platform to build e-commerce websites, themes, and apps. They offer on their partners three great ways to grow their business and generate ongoing monthly revenue. First is refer clients to Shopify. Create e-commerce themes and publish them in the Shopify theme store. Create Shopify apps and publish them in the Shopify App Store. Your clients will love our multi-channel platform that allows them to sell anywhere, securely and reliably. Shopify offers full storefront customization to help you deliver exactly what your client is looking for. More than 1 million merchants around the world are powered by Shopify, and many of them are looking for help building and customizing their stores. Shopify Partner Program is a community web designers, developers, digital marketers, creative agencies, and freelancers that help merchants start, sell, market, and or manage their e-commerce businesses. Connect with customers. 1 in 3 Shopify merchants seek help from a Shopify expert every 6 months. Through our Shopify Partnership Program, aspiring merchants can capitalize on professional skills and knowledge to make their online stores a success. Earn 20% commission. Grow your web design, web development, or digital marketing business. Shopify Partner Program gives you access to millions of Shopify merchants in 175 countries. Get new clients and earn 20% commission on referred merchants. Subscribe fees. It's free. Offer your clients the world-class e-commerce solution. Millions of merchants use Shopify to run their online stores. By partnering with Shopify, you will be working with a top product that's both easy to use and provides your clients with the commerce experience they want, now and in the future. Grow with Shopify as a partner. The Shopify Partner Program offers huge learning opportunities. Get access to comprehensive documentation, a learning portal, a partner community of Shopify experts, insiders information on product roadmaps, and priority 24/7 partner support. In a partnership in Shopify, there's a world-class e-commerce solution. First is unlimited development stores. As a partner, you won't be constrained by a free trial period. Instead, you will get unlimited access to our development store environment. This gives you an opportunity to test, optimize, and iterate on your best work. Next is showcase your work to attract new clients. Shopify partners can also use the development store as a portfolio to showcase their work and pitch new clients. Next, stable, reliable hosting. Shopify offers a 99.98% uptime, unlimited bandwidth, and PCI Level 1 compliance to handle even the most complex stores. Powerful, all-in-one e-commerce toolkit. Easily navigate dashboard, products, sales, marketing, and inventory management from a single platform with turnkey e-commerce solution. Simplify your workflow, implement faster, and customize easier with the Shopify toolkit. Next is an extensive app integrations. Add features and functionality to your client's business with 6,000 plus apps that integrate directly with Shopify. And lastly is award-winning support. Connect with 24/7 Shopify customer support over online chat or email. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. See you on the next video. Thank you.